The National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a tornado warning for western Barrow County in north-central Georgia, Gwinnett County in north-central Georgia, until 4:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:16 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado near Berkeley Lake, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Other locations in the warning include but are not limited to Swanee, Sugar Hill, Beaufort, Lawrenceville, Dacula, Auburn, and Thompson's Mill. This is an extremely dangerous and life-threatening situation. This storm is capable of producing strong to violent tornadoes. If you are in the path of this tornado, take cover now. A tornado watch remains in effect until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time Saturday evening for northern Georgia. If you see wind damage, large hail or significant flooding, wait until after the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-763-4466.